Lately, I've been seeing cortisol blamed for almost everything.
Weight gain,
Poor sleep,
low energy.
brain fog, and maybe some of those concerns are legitimate. But at what point does an explanation become an excuse? A few years ago, it was metabolism. Before that, it was carbs. Before that, it was genetics. When I was carrying over 80 extra pounds, I had explanations too. Maybe some of them were true, but the scale didn't care. Nothing changed until I asked a different question. What can I control today? What am I eating? How much am I moving? Those questions weren't comfortable, but they gave me something my explanations never could. And the real danger is believing that an explanation removes responsibility. Cortisol matters. Stress matters. A lot of things matter. But the question that changed my life wasn't, why is this happening to me? It was, what can I do about it today? If you want to explore some of the resources I personally use throughout my own health journey, you can find my health arsenal linked below. Take what helps and go build your own arsenal.